What is up, everyone? I'm getting to that today. I'm sick. And make sure to slap a like on this video. It's going to be a very cool. Oh, so cute. Cool one. Also, put in the comments down below who do you think is holding the camera below, because I'm not holding it. I can't reach that far. You see his hand? I can't reach. I can't. Ow.
Here's a little clip of my voice. The question of the day. Say it, Gaming with Hernan.
Who's behind the Who's the cameraman? Bum, 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 bum.
Should I stop?
Okay.
You farted.
So like we had a pizza party. I had a pizza party today. Not we. No one's here. Well, the cameraman is. We had a pizza party here. With us, you could tell.
We mostly trashed the party.
Oh look, it's getting sunny outside. Cameraman, show them. Also, put the link down below if you want to know, like, what I got, like a plant yesterday, and if you want to know what happened to it, did it die? Did I kill it? Or is it just plant outside? Put it in the comments down below. Also, trying to figure out who's the cameraman. Okay. This is the end. Hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe. See you guys all later. Bye.